This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 66 of Building Robocop. This issue, we're going back to the waist again, building up a little bit more of his stomachs, abs and things. Changing identities, new names for old acquaintances. We got rich cast of the original film. However, due to intellectual property issues and a deliberate attempt to pursue a continuity of its own outside of the sequels, several names were changed from the film saga. That's interesting. Okay. OCP's president in the films are always been referred to as the old man. It was also the old man in the game. The title of chairman. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah, they have to change some things up. Good stuff. Metro South. Murphy. James. Yeah. Good stuff. Right, so the waist, part 7. We've got the lumbar connector, part 1 and part 2. And some EP screws. Always EP screws with this. That cover goes over. So basically put that on, building up the next chunk, and then putting on the back plate. 2 screws to hold that on into place. And then 2 more to hold the back plate onto place. Good stuff. That must be about where the chest bit's going to get. When I've got this attached, I'll have a look and see if I can figure out where that is going to attach to anyway. But yeah, oh yeah, there you go. So we've got the top of the helmet, haven't we? We haven't got the back bit. That's why I couldn't see that as being highlighted the other week. So yeah, we're getting there. We've got a big chunk done. So we've got an arm and the back and the lower part of the head to do. So yeah, getting there. Soft structured robots. Very, I'm not sure I like the look of that. That gooey, yeah, I don't like that. Robots should be metallic. That's the way robots work. Data profiling, digital data. Yeah, digital data is always out there. Be careful with your data, people. Sensitive information. Yeah, all that sort of stuff. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's bring in the legs and attach the next part of the waist. Okay, so this is what we've got in this issue. We've got the plate and the section part and the plate. We're going to need 4 EP screws. So let's grab the 2 that I had saved from previous issues. Empty bag and 2 more from this one. A pack of, we've got 3 spares now all together though, so that's that. Those 2 and 2 for that. The chest we're not going to be doing anything with quite yet, but for now I'm going to need the legs and the waist that we've already got. So this rubber bit is just sort of not attached as yet. That is going to go onto there like that. 2 screws down there will be what holds that together. That on there. A screw. That in that side. And then one on the other side as well. About there. Nope, missed. Somewhere, there it is. Try that again. In there, there we go. Get those 2 tightened in there. In a minute, we're not going to be able to get to them, because this plate is going over the top like that. There we go. And the other 2 screws hold that in place. Come on. Do the right way round. It's so much easier. Go in there. One more screw around here somewhere. Let's see, his legs are in the way. Go. One in that side. That tightened up. There we go with that. And then we can see this is going to have to go there. We've got 4 posts there and we've got 4 holes there. So do you reckon that's going to be... They do sort of line up. I reckon that is going to go on there. Bit like that. Got to be outside of that rubber bit, and that it won't go inside it. No, got to be outside of it. It's on there a bit like that. So that gives us how all of that attaches. And look a bit like that from the front. It's all screwed in. Nice. So that's it. Another issue done. Another part completed. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you for more very soon. Put this aside over there. Go a little bit. No, that's definitely attached down there. So it's going to be there. But there's a little bit of articulation to all of this. So it's just a case of getting it all just right, I think. Go over there. I think that probably is just like that. It'll be on there just like that. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.